Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the GMC Sierra AT4, we have the AT4 branded door cards, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating. We have our 4x4 push button, automatic driving modes there, as well as your trailer mode, heads up, your automatic headlights, fog lights, heads up display controls, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, paddle shifters on the backside. We do have the all digital gauge cluster there as well. We have the 13.4-inch touchscreen using the Google operating system, so Google Play Store, Google Assistant, both available. We do have heated and ventilated seating, dual zone climate control, massive push button ignition. We have lane keep assist, parking sensors, auto stop start, your automatic shifter knob, integrated trailer braking system, as well as our all black interior, Bose audio, and our leather heated and ventilated Sierra AT4 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra AT4, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, machined rims with the black rims with the machined face, the brand new Goodyear Territory MT tires. We have color matched door handles with keyless entry up front, AT4 badging, 6.2-liter V8 plaque. The AT4 comes with the factory 2-inch lift kit up front, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. Coming down to the front of the vehicle, LED daytime running lamps and turn signals, fog lights, AT4 branded grille with parking sensors and a camera system. Red recovery hooks up front as well. Making our way back down the side, we have rear tinted privacy windows on the crew cab, remote start. At the back of the Sierra AT4, dual chrome exhaust tips, LED brake lights, GM MultiPro tailgate, and your trailer tow package. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. We have in-seat storage as well as heated seats. Both end seats there heated and car seat ready. We have sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting, and a single pane sunroof. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.